The display is done for now. There will be changes to it in the future. The RCA Victor radio's right there. I move this TV over there. And this TV has issues. It has a noisy picture and no sound. I made a post about it, and there won't be a video on it. So yeah, here's how the display looks for now. And there's one more thing. The Philips Magnavox is back together. Hopefully the screen has no scratches. I haven't inspected it yet, but in the sun it looked really good. So yeah, all I have to do is find the other screw that goes under there, and we'll be done. Nice. Letting the Sanyo TV run a little bit. Make sure there's no issues with it. In an hour, it'll be time to watch Shanko's video. So yeah, there's a little behind the scenes clip. Hope you like the new display in the garage. Like I said, it will be changed. Just not today. Some other day. Still obsessed with the zoom. It's freaking awesome.